Hey donkey brother, why are you walking around with a book in your hand this morning? Are you going to become a forest scholar now? Till yesterday you didn't even hum while eating grass. Today I see you with glasses hanging around your neck, a notebook in your hand, and a look of wisdom on your face. What's the matter? Are you now, Dr. Donkey? Look, brother, your look of wisdom doesn't suit you at all. You once said, I eat grass, not books. Tell me how you have changed today? Parrot brother, I am no longer stupid. Nowadays everyone is wise, so I thought I would also gain a little knowledge. I got an old book from a fox, named The Secret of Science. I have read 2 pages, but my head is spinning. Now I understand, this world of knowledge is the real power. I now know why water gets hot, why fire burns, and how even a tiger gets scared. From now on, everyone will call me Donkey the Scientist. Look, I am no longer the ordinary donkey I was before. I am now a modern, smart, educated animal. Ha ha ha. Donkey brother, this confidence of yours is the biggest fire. A scientist who reads 2 page books? Do you know, a little knowledge is dangerous. This saying was written for you. Reading science books is good, but if you don't understand it, it will only make your head hot. The fact that you are now researching fire and water, it seems like an explosion will happen in the forest. But let me tell you one thing, if you succeed in the exam, I will be your first student. But if you fail, I will laugh with Parrot brother for 7 days straight. Ha ha ha. Look, donkey brother, gaining knowledge is a good thing, I don't object to it. But learning something without understanding it is the biggest danger. When I was young, I flooded the entire forest while trying to build a device to draw water from the river. That day I understood, knowledge is not just about books, it is the ability to understand. If you play with fire and water without understanding, the entire forest will be in danger. So I say, learn slowly, learn with understanding. Otherwise, you will become an unlucky donkey, from Dr. Donkey. Brother Elephant, you are all creatures of old thinking. I am a modern scientist. I will show you right now how fire is made and water evaporates. You just open your eyes wide, today is the day of my discovery. Everyone looks on in surprise. The parrot quietly says, today there will be a fire in the forest. Everyone pay attention. Today you will see history. I will start a fire by rubbing sticks, and then I will put it out by scaring you. This is the first chapter of my donkey science. He rubs the stick to catch fire. Look, fire. Now I will shout, fear the fire. Screaming, fear the fire. Fear the fire. But the fire does not go out, but rather grows. Hey, save me. The fire is spreading. The trees in the forest are burning, the leaves are burning. This science of yours will destroy everything. You will be called Donkey the Fire Master. Donkey science has burnt the forest. Everyone, bring water. We have to put out the fire. I will bring water from the river and put out the fire. Donkey. The whole forest was almost burning because of your stupidity. This is not knowledge, this is terrible ignorance. By bragging about knowing little, you are damaging the forest, as well as destroying your own dignity. Sir, I really made a mistake. I thought I knew a lot, but I didn't understand anything. Today I understood, knowledge is not about speaking, but about keeping it in the mind. You said it well, donkey. Remember, he who knows little, makes the most noise. And he who really knows, learns quietly. If you really learn, one day you will be everyone's favorite wise animal. Yes, you are right. From now on, your name will be Student Donkey. Learn first, teach later. You made US laugh today, but you also taught US a little knowledge is not only dangerous, but also ridiculous. So today's lesson, doing something without understanding is like putting your hand in the fire. Learning with understanding means true knowledge. All together. That's right. He. Ha ha ha. The final message. A little knowledge is dangerous, so learn with understanding, don't do without understanding.